Cesium. Welcome to this industry breakout with these nice demonstrations. I want to welcome everybody here in Vancouver at the Yin Infrastructure Conference, and welcome to all those who are joining us online. My name is Richard Vestner. I'm excited to host this industry breakout session today, where we will discuss how cities can improve quality of life of their citizens by unlocking value from data in infrastructure digital twins. In other words, how to become cities of the future. And I'm looking forward to introducing some great guests to a panel discussion and talking to infrastructure professionals who are working on this task. But before I do that, let us briefly reflect on the infrastructure challenge we face when we talk about cities. For centuries, people have been moving from the countryside to urban environments. In 1800, the ratio of urban to rural population was 25 to 75. 200 years later, 2008, for the first time, there were as many people living in cities as outside of them. And with the total population still growing, we expect a ratio of 70 to 30 in 2050. According to population growth predictions of the United Nations, over the next 25 years, 1.5 million people will move into cities every week. And these people need food, water, energy, roads, housing, jobs. Well, civilization and humanity needs infrastructure. But because aging infrastructure decays and the need due to urbanization increases, experts argue that 75% of the infrastructure needed by 2050 has yet to be built. And this in times of a shortage of skilled workers and engineers and a persistently low productivity in the construction industry. We also have to decarbonize urban infrastructure because 70% of carbon emissions stem from cities. As we heard this morning in the keynotes, life cycle assessments and environmental footprint analysis are becoming the norm. And finally, steering the use of land and space in cities is more important than ever. The growing urban population depends on intelligent environments with multiple purposes that fit future needs and cope with the impact of climate change. Think about variable building layouts that can switch between office and residential use. Streets that flexibly create space for pedestrians and cyclists when needed. Or green spaces that can also be used as floodplains and infiltration areas. These challenges are compounded in cities where population density and dependency on infrastructure is high, and to have safe environments and secure environments and the risk of infrastructure failure peaks. That means there is a huge pressure on infrastructure professionals who must adapt and upgrade existing assets and build new ones to meet this increased demand.